Yo, what is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and today in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to install Android P on your Redmi Note 3. And as you can see, this is a legit Redmi Note 3, and for this you need to have like backed up all the things of your device, and you need to have an analog bootloader, and you need to have official TWRP cover installed, and you need to download these files. Let me just show you. As you can see, this is the ROM file, which is the AOSP Android Pie based, and this is the GApps. This is unofficial GApps, by the way. I downloaded the micro. All the important links I'll give in the description, so don't worry. And this is the, let me just show you, 15th August 2018 build for Redmi Note 3, which is an unofficial one, but we'll get more updates in future. But let's see what works as of now. And if you want an Android Pie looking 8.1 based custom ROM, I mean the best custom ROM which has like Android Pie kind of look, as you can see over here, you can install Havoc OS, which I have been using like couple of days now for, and this is a great ROM and everything is smooth enough. This is Havoc OS 12th August 2018 build. As you can see, this is official build, and even volume buttons, I mean volume panels and stuff over here looks like Android P. As you can see, it has almost all the things looking like Android P. So yeah, this is a great ROM, and even the settings panel, as you can see, pretty much looks like Android P. So I'll suggest you flashing this Havoc OS if you want a stable Android Pie looking 8.1 based ROM. And one thing you need to keep in mind before flashing this ROM, before you flash like the Android Pie, I would say go to security, go to screen lock, and remove any kind of pin or pattern if you have one. So I'll just select it to none, and as you can see, it doesn't have like any kind of screen lock, it just wakes up right away. So now let me just reboot to recovery. I just did that because I don't want my storage to get encrypted, so I'm just being on the safe side, I guess. So as you can see, I am using official TWRP recovery, which is the 3.2.2/0. It is the latest one, I guess, for Redmi Note 3. So I'll be using that. And before doing anything over here, make sure you back up everything. Otherwise, don't blame me that you lost your data and stuff, and do it on your own risk. So yeah, let's continue. Now first thing we need to do is go to Wipe, Advanced, and do the same stuff which we do before flashing any other ROM. Select Cache, Dalvik System Data, and swipe to Wipe. Now that's done, go home, go to Install. Now look at the ROM and GApps file. So over here, make sure you download this GApps, otherwise you may face like 4 stops and stuff in the setup wizard. So I'll recommend you flashing this GApps, which is the bit GApps, not the unofficial open GApps. So yeah, let's just try it now. And select the ROM file first and add more zip. Select the zip file. I selected auto reboot after installation just because it just reboots automatically. So yeah, let's just swipe to confirm flash. So as you can see, it just says error 7. Well, we'll try GApps later. Let's just hit reboot system and see what happens. Note that I just tried like before this time, I just tried flashing with Open GApps, which is the micro GApps, the unofficial Open micro GApps for Android Pie, but that didn't work. It was like for stopping in all the setup wizard. So yeah, we'll just find any other way later on. So let's just see if it reboots or not. And it just rebooted the phone straight into the ROM. It didn't show me a setup wizard or something. And as you can see, holy smokes, the icons are pretty big. So I'll just like, Google Play services keep stopping. Yeah, alright bro. Let's go to settings, display, advanced, use the display size. Yeah, it's supposed to happen. I think there is no GApps installed. Play Store, let me just open it. could not sign in. You don't have a network connection. Alright, let me just pop our Wi-Fi, and it detects my Wi-Fi network. Let me just enter password. Oh, we don't have a keyboard here. Great stuff. It's supposed to happen, I'm just kidding. So I'll just like install Gboard from my internal storage. Let me see. App not installed. Alright. I don't know what should I do now. We don't have a keyboard here. Fucking kidding me. So at least we are booted, but I can't connect to my Wi-Fi because I don't have a keyboard here. Alright. I don't know what to do. My Gboard is not installing. Let's fire up the camera, and it doesn't work, as you can see. I mean, let's just go into the settings. Yeah, it does look like the Android Pie, of course, and go to system, and we have a system updater over here. As you can see, August 5th security patch, and about phone. Here, as you can see in the device name, it shows the Redmi Note 3. Yeah, Android version. As you can see, the Android version shows as 9, of course. August 5th security patch. Here is the build number, 15th August build, and baseband and kernel version. You can see you have the Candy kernel over here as stock kernel. And over here, if we like tap on the Android 9 multiple times, as you can see, it just fires up the P Easter egg, and you can just do this. It's just hallucinating stuff. Just changes the colors. And first, when you flash this Android Pie ROM on the Redmi Note 3, go to developer settings and scroll down, select this default USB configuration and select this file transfer, because otherwise it may not show your internal storage on the PC. So yeah, make sure you do this. So inside system we have gestures. So if you go like this over here, you have jump to camera, which is the boring thing. Swipe up on home button. This is the interesting one, and I did not need to flash any patch for it. So if you just go over here, as you can see, you just turn it on, and if you just do like this from here, we don't have like software buttons over here, even though it works with the hardware buttons too, I guess. We'll just, as you can see, it just fires up the recent apps panel, and it looks cool. Let me just do it again, as you can see. And if you just do this, it will just pop up the recent apps panel, and if you just do this, it will open the app drawer. So from home screen, recent apps panel, all the way up, app drawer, recent apps panel, app drawer. So yeah, it's quick enough, but this doesn't work, I guess. Yeah, the moving thing doesn't work, but we can get to recent apps panel like this, and it's pretty quick even though we don't have software buttons. And I'm hearing some kind of like sounds here and there. There was a problem with the G apps, I guess. I couldn't find the right one, so keep trying with the open G apps, I guess. Even if this one, which was recommended in the Telegram group, doesn't work for me, as you just saw. Let's go to security, and over here, as you can see, we don't have the fingerprint option. So yeah, there is no fingerprint scanner option. The camera doesn't work. It's supposed to happen. It's just supposed to happen. It's just very early build. So yeah, what do you expect more? If you just fire up the camera, it just 4 stops, as you can see. So of course, not a daily driver at all, but it's nice that some work is going on the Android Pie over here. Let me just, alright, so flashlight doesn't work. It just went like gray. Oh, boom, it works. Holy smokes. It worked. Stuck. Alright, it's just stuck. And what else should I show you? Alright, battery settings, we have the battery percentage shows, and as you can see, as the Android Pie doesn't like show battery full usage from here, so you have to tap these three dots, battery usage, and over here I'm not sure that I'm pretty much not gonna test this ROM as of now because it's not at all a daily driver and my primary SIM is over here. So Volte is not working, but if you have a 2G or 3G SIM it will work. So we have tap to wake over here. Let's see if it works. It doesn't. Ambient display, I don't know if it works or not. Night light, let's see. Turn on and custom times. Turn on now. Yeah, it works. Alright. You can change the intensity of it too. Auto brightness. I'm not sure if it's working fine or not. Device theme, light, dark, let's change to dark. Right. So it didn't work. Ignore those dogs. It's like 2:31 in the morning, so I can't do anything about it. So in terms of the launcher, we have kind of like we have the Pixel launcher, but we don't have the Google Now cards because our GApps is not working at all. So in home settings over here, as you can see, we have the notification dots and stuff, and that's it. That's all the customizations we have here. In terms of widgets, yeah, it might work. Let me just test this one. Yeah, widgets working. Yeah, we have this wallpaper only. So yeah, the quick toggles, as you can see, looks pretty dope, and we have this like swiping on this. You can just add quick toggles from here, as you can see, pretty much Pi, and it shows the network over here. And I'm pretty sure that Volte is not working. Let me just do a calling thing. Yeah, call in. Alright, it's supposed to happen. We don't have to do anything over here. Volte is not working. If you have a 2G 3G SIM, the calls might work. That's the sound settings. And let me just go back. Alright, we have the recents panel, as you can see. Let me just close some apps and let me just open some. Go into the settings, and we have this like Android Pie looking recent apps panel, as you can see right here. And you can just open split screen and stuff from here. So you can just swipe up to clear one, and you can just clear all of this. And volume panels, well, yeah, the volume panels are here. The Android Pie volume panels, as you can see, and you can just put the phone in vibrate, silent, or whatever. We have to wait for some days to beat like even at least a daily driver. So let's see when that happens, and when it will happen, I'll definitely show you guys and let you guys know that how the ROM performs and how is the battery life, how is the camera performance. I'll let you know everything. So until then, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Share this video with your friends if you feel like it, that this video helped you in any way, or you're just feeling great that Android Pie is running on the Redmi Note 3. So that's been it. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Tiro from KD Tech signing off for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye now. Boom.